So, good day everyone. So, today we are discussing about digraphs. So, what are digraphs? So, a digraph is a graph where edges have a direction. Each edge is an ordered pair of verticals indicating a direction from one vertex to another. So, let's put a quick example. So, as you can see here guys, this is another example that we are going to make. So as you can see here, the A, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to make 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here, our relations here, 1 is to 1. So we're going to make a loop here because it's 1 to 1. There. So next, 1 to 2. So we're going to jump here from 1 to 2 there because 1 and 2 have relation. So next, 2 to 1. So we're going back again because 2 and 1 have a relation. So next is 2 to 3. So we're going jump here from 2, jump to 3 there because 2 and 3 have relations. So next, 3 to 4. So from 3 we're going to jump to 4 because 3 and 4 have relations. And lastly, we have 4 to 1. So from 4 we're going to jump back to 1 because 4 and 1 have relation. So that's all guys. I hope you've learned something from me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.